Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and click the subscribe button. Click it down below. I would really appreciate it if you would be a part of my YouTube family here on my channel. As always, I love to start off my videos with a little bit of inspiration, get you encouraged, get you just feeling good, because we all need a sense of encouragement and just to feel good given the current events that have transpired. So I just want to continue to let you guys know Jesus is good, he's faithful. Don't cease from praying, you guys. Pray in the morning, pray in the evening, pray at night. Don't give up on your relationship with Jesus just because of what you see in the world. The world is destined to go the way that it is. What we need to do is take heed, take heart in our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, because He's the only one that's going to give us peace during the storm, peace during the season that we're currently in. I know it's hard to look at the storm and look at the situation and what the world is actually going through, and I know it's difficult, but to give you guys some peace, I encourage you to fix your eyes and your minds on Jesus, because he will never fail you. He's there every single moment for us, helping us and guiding us throughout the day. But we can't lose heart, you guys. Do not lose heart. Just do your part and don't lose heart. Pray, 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 and I promise you, he will give you that comfort that you are earnestly looking for and yearning for, you guys. So just keep the faith strong, and show love, because love conquers a multitude of sins. That is certainly what our world needs right now, is love. And let's show Jesus' love through our actions, through our faith, and through our hearts. So, yeah. So I wanted to share with you guys 3 office approved fragrances for my women out there that work in corporate America and work in the office, and you still want to smell feminine and fresh. These are all going to pretty much be like fresh floral scents. So if you're into that type of scent, then I definitely encourage you to continue to watch as I share my top 3 that I've really been loving, that I've been just wearing throughout the summer months, throughout my work week, and I get a lot of compliments on them, and they're fresh and they just smell so good. So as I'm so excited, I love perfumes, I love fragrances, and if any one of you are fragrance junkies just like me, then I certainly think you'll appreciate this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so I've shared this perfume once before in one of my previous perfume videos, but I'm gonna give it credit, because I need to give it its just due credit, because it smells amazing. Despite its age, it certainly does live up to its smell. It lives up to its reputation, and that is gonna be the Camuto Fiore. This fragrance, it's amazing. Like, it smells amazing, it looks amazing. Look at the little pretty bottle on the top here. So cute, so feminine. And let's spray it, shall we? Okay, so I'm gonna try to describe it first before I read the fragrance notes and the description of the fragrance. But to me, it smells super sophisticated, fresh. It's not overbearing. It's very light, but I will say people can smell it. So it's not a scent to where you spray it on and it goes away. Maybe on you, because you know how sometimes you spray perfumes on you and you feel like it went away, like you don't really smell it as heavily as you once did before. No, people smell this and they will comment on this fragrance. I was at work and someone had commented on the fragrance, like, what are you wearing? Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm just like, really? Because I really don't smell it, but I kid you not, it smells lovely. And just a side note, girl, just a side note, men really like this scent. They really adore this scent for some reason. I'm just like, oh, okay, let me go ahead and spray this on for hubby, right? It came out in 2013, so hence the age. Despite the age, it's delicacy. Like, it's beautiful, it's amazing, it smells so fresh and luscious. Love it. So it's bright and pink grapefruit drops combined with irresistible white nectarine. White nectarine. Okay, now I see why I adore it so much. The heart of the Fiore is enriched with elegant iris flowers and fresh freesia, while accentuating beauty and the pure essence of the composition, supported by base notes, composed of a blend of creamy sandalwood and blue cedar. Fiore was announced as a soft and contemporary edition which embodies the spirit and style of Vince Camuto women. Check this fragrance out. Again, this is Vince Camuto, Fiore. It looks and smells divine. Divine. Okay, you guys, so I'm super excited for this next one I'm going to share with you. This one I just got put on game about 6 months ago during Christmas time. I was on a business trip and I happened to stumble across this fragrance in an Ulta out there, and I was like, this is different. It's very fresh, floral, but it screams corporate woman. It screams corporate woman, and it's fresh, and it's a little bit of hint of sweet, and I can't wait to show it to you. So the next one is going to be Lancome Idolate. I'm sorry if I'm butchering it, but it looks like this. It's so gorge, sleek. Look at it. Doesn't this fragrance just scream like chic corporate woman? Like, I'm that woman, right? This smells like a super fresh peach scent. Really strong. The wear on it is amazing. It smells all throughout the day. Even I smell it. I'm not like, oh my gosh, I can't smell it anymore. Like, no, seriously, I smell this fragrance all throughout the day. I get compliments on it. It's definitely a profound fragrance. Like, you can smell this and be like, it smells so fresh. What is that? It smells so good. It kind of smells like air freshener. Like, if you were to spray it throughout your home, it would just make your house just smell so lovely. It's one of those scents that it just smells fresh, it smells clean, it smells divine, and very, very chic. Some of the top notes of this fragrance is gonna be pink peppercorn, bergamot, and luscious pear. Pear, yes, pear. I can totally smell the pear. I particularly don't belong to any monthly subscription when it comes to fragrances. However, I should, but I don't. But if you do, go ahead and get this one as a sample. I'm sure you guys will love it. If you love that fresh, sophisticated, just sweet scent, but it's not too sweet to where it makes you smell like a little girl. No, it makes you smell like a grown woman. Check it out. Again, it's Lancome Idolate. Idolate or Idol? We'll go with that. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited for this next fragrance. You have no idea. You have no idea. Can we just take a moment? Let's take a moment for this next fragrance. It deserves a moment of silence because it smells that good. It smells that good. And I wouldn't dare lie to you guys. It smells amazing. I literally just want to keep it to myself, my own little personal secret, but I have to share with my ladies. I gotta share with my ladies. You guys, I'm so excited. This is my second bottle. I'm so excited. It's gonna be the Chaneliu Tundra. Forgive me for butchering the name, but this fragrance, you guys, look at it. It smells so great. I have to spray it. Oh my gosh! Look how happy I'm getting. I'm like super elated right now. It smells so gorgeous. Look at the bottle. The bottle is amazing. It looks amazing. It smells amazing. It has this pretty gold top. This screams corporate boss chick, right? This screams just corporate, luxury, professional. Love it, you guys. This is a 5 ounce. I have to have it. Like, this perfume is always going to be in my staple, in my collection. I have to have it. It's light. It smells kind of like a peach and a nectarine. They all kind of resemble each other, but this one's so light and so fresh. It just smells so divine, so lovely, so amazing, Chanel outdid themselves when they made this perfume. I'm telling you, it's amazing. And people will compliment you like no other. This is your hidden jewel. This is the one that you kind of want to keep a secret. You kind of want to keep it a secret, right? No, but it's quite pricey. It is quite pricey. It's Chanel, but it's worth it, you guys. It's worth it to have in your collection. It's certainly a staple. Some of the top notes are going to be, it's a floral scent. It includes citron and pepper, pink pepper, excuse me. Citron and pink pepper, jasmine absolute, iris absolute, amber, white musk, and vetiver. I am a fragrance hoarder. I know this about myself. I know I'm not gonna say it's a problem because I don't ever think it's a crime to want to smell good. It's not a crime to want to smell good. It's a crime if you don't smell good. So smell good, ladies, smell good. So these are going to be the top 3 that I recommend for your collection, especially if you, and you can wear these throughout the day, going on a date, a brunch, wherever. I definitely recommend these for corporate women because, you know, some women love to smell good, but they just don't want the smell to be overbearing. None of these scents, in my opinion, are not going to be overbearing. I think they're extremely conducive for the corporate setting and for an office setting, and I feel as though you would be quite pleased with these 3 fragrances if you decide to purchase them on your own. Thank you so much for watching my video. What are you waiting on? If you haven't done so, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Click it down below. Subscribe. I would really appreciate it, again, if you would be a part of my YouTube family here on my channel. Let's grow the channel. Let's grow together. Let's spread positivity and love and Jesus. I would love to hear your recommendations down below. So go ahead and leave comments down below. And I would certainly love to check those out and do more reviews like this. Don't let anyone diminish your light because your light is so bright. I will catch you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.